Hey guys, welcome back. Today I would like to share you how to have a shortcut on your home screen, which make it easier for you to jump into the app. It is much better and faster. So when you click on the shortcut, you can see it bring me into YouTube when I have already set it in the first place. So now let me show you how to achieve this. First, you need to go into the App Store, and then you need to download the app called App Shortcut. And after that, let me open App Shortcut and show you how to set it up. Now click on the plus button, and then you need to search for the app that you want to have a shortcut. Let's say I'm gonna go ahead and type Facebook. And now from here, select Facebook here, and then you need to click check the app is installed. So when you click on it, it will bring you into Facebook, but you need to go ahead and go back, and then you need to click on add shortcut, and after that go back, and then go into the first, and then you can see Facebook here. Now let's add the widget. So now let me remove this one first, and then hold on the app, click on the plus button, and then go into app shortcut. And if you don't see it, just search for here, and it usually appear here. So now click on add widget and click on the home button, and you need to replace it. So click on edit widget, select the shortcut, and then select on Facebook, and now you will see a big Facebook icon. So when I click on it, it will redirect into Facebook directly. You can see it is faster. And thanks for watching. I hope you like these simple tricks, and then I will see you guys in the next one.